Want youthful, glowing skin without expensive products? The secret is right in your kitchen. Right. For centuries, rice has been used in Asian beauty routines to slow aging, reduce wrinkles, and brighten skin. Rice water works as a natural toner. It tightens pores, fades dark spots, and even helps with acne. But that's not all. Rice contains antioxidants, vitamin B, vitamin E, and amino acids that boost collagen, repair damaged skin, and protect against UV damage. Brown rice deeply nourishes, white rice brightens, and black rice is packed with powerful anti-aging antioxidants. Here's how to make your own rice cream mask at home. Take 5 tablespoons of rice and rinse it well. Drain the water. Then place the rice into a small pot, add 2 cups of water, and cook on low heat until the rice becomes soft and creamy. Blend it until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve for a silky, cream-like texture. Store it in a clean container with a lid. Now your homemade rice cream is ready. For extra benefits, mix it with a little almond oil and aloe vera gel. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which reduces dark circles and wrinkles, while aloe vera hydrates, soothes irritation, and makes your skin soft and glowing. Apply this mask to your face or hands for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and enjoy smooth, youthful skin. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. You'll notice your skin becoming softer, brighter, and healthier naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare secrets. What's your favorite beauty ingredient? Rice, aloe vera, or something else? Comment below. I'd love to know. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Stay beautiful and take care.